Hey everyone, what is up? I'm so happy to see everybody and to be getting back onto YouTube. I have missed everybody so much, but I have been gone for a very good reason, which is I hurt my hand and it has been very difficult for me to cook. But I had myself like a little pity party for about a week and a half, and then I kind of got over myself and I started this new video series, which is going to be like recipes so easy you can pretty much cook them with one hand, because that's what I've been having to do. So I am super excited to share this new series with you. I'm going to put links to the videos as I put them up down below, and I'm also going to start a playlist which I'll link at the end. And that's pretty much it for my big video series announcement. And anybody who is curious, what happened to your hand, Alicia? Well, everybody, you know that I have a German Shepherd, right? So my German Shepherd is awesome and I love him, and it wasn't even his fault, but basically what happened is I had him on his leash and I was holding it like this, and he pulled, and as he pulled I went to grab it with this hand, and then he turned and pulled, and the leash wrapped around like this and it broke my ring finger from the top to the bottom. It spiraled around it and it really hurt and it really sucked, and it sprained the 3 other fingers that are on this hand. So I'm 5 weeks in. The doctor said 6 to 8 weeks to heal, so I'm kind of on the back end of it now, and I feel like something good came out of it, even though at first I was super depressed. But now I'm like, I'm cool, I'm over it, it's no big deal. I'm back in the kitchen, I'm cooking, I'm kind of just doing everything normally at this point, but more with my left hand, which has gotten smarter and smarter over the last few weeks. When I first heard it, I was like trying to brush my teeth and it was ridiculously hard, and anyway, I won't go into all of the details, but I'm over my pity party. I'm excited I have this new video series coming out for you, and I hope that you love it. And I've actually gotten some requests from people like in the past that, you know, would like some easier recipes and stuff that they can just knock out on a busy night. And I'm telling you, this is the series for you. If that's what you've been waiting for me to put up, you are going to be like mega happy, because some of these recipes you can literally do in like 5 minutes with one hand. So anyway, I'm super excited. Leave comments down below. I would love to hear from everybody. I feel like it's been forever since I've talked to you, and I really genuinely miss everyone. I miss YouTube, I miss the community, and I'm excited I'm finally coming back, although I can't type yet, which kind of sucks, but I'm trying my best. You'll be seeing me here and there. I'll be the short comments because, yeah, I can't type right now. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'm excited to talk to everybody again, and I'll see y'all soon. Mwah! Bye!
BackBitesForever.com